In the global edible oil processing industry, QIE Group has dedicated 43 years of expertise and innovation to deliver one-stop edible oil processing solutions, covering everything from oilseeds, pre-treatment to deep refining, from 10 to 500 TF oil material pre-cleaning, drying and storage section turnkey projects, to 100 to 3000 TPD oilseed, pre-treatment and pre-pressing, and up to 100 to 3000 TPD solvent extraction plants. QIE Group provides advanced and reliable solutions. In refining and dewaxing step, we offer 30 to 1000 TPD continuous physical or chemical refining production lines, 20 to 3000 TPD turnkey sunflower oil, rice bran oil, and corn germ oil dewaxing projects, as well as complete palm fruit and palm kernel processing lines ranging from 1 to 120 TF. QIE Group provide end-to-end services, including pre-sales, consultation and process design, on-site installation commissioning, operator training, and after-sales technical support. Every solution is tailored to raw materials, capacity, and budget, ensuring faster project, startup, and long-term success.